Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, 2024, Gray, your perfect everyday tablet. Discover the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, 2024, a sleek and powerful Android tablet designed to elevate your productivity, entertainment, and creativity. This 10.4-inch tablet, available in an elegant gray finish, offers cutting-edge technology in a lightweight, portable design. Perfect for students, professionals, and casual users alike, the Galaxy Tab S6 Lite delivers incredible value and versatility. Let's explore its features. 1. Stunning 10.4 Wuxka Plus display. The Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, 2024, features a 10.4-inch TFT display with a Wuxka Plus resolution, 2000x1200, providing vivid colors and sharp details. Enjoy immersive visuals whether you're streaming movies, attending virtual meetings, or reading your favorite ebooks. 2. Lightweight, premium design. Crafted with portability in mind, this tablet weighs just 465 g and boasts a slim metal unibody design. Its ergonomic build ensures comfortable handling during prolonged use, making it ideal for on-the-go lifestyles. 3. Enhanced performance. Powered by the Exynos octa-core processor and paired with 4 GB of RAM, the Galaxy Tab S6 Lite ensures smooth multitasking. Whether you're browsing, gaming, or editing documents, this tablet offers seamless performance. 4. Spacious 128 GB storage. With 128 GB of built-in storage, the Galaxy Tab S6 Lite gives you ample space to store apps, documents, photos, and videos. Need more storage? Expand it up to 1 TB with a microSD card for limitless possibilities. 5. Android 13 with One UI. Enjoy the latest Android 13 operating system optimized with Samsung's intuitive One UI. Experience a user-friendly interface, customizable widgets, and access to millions of apps on the Google Play Store. 6. S Pen included. Unleash your creativity with the included S Pen, offering precise control for drawing, note-taking, and editing. With no need for charging, the S Pen is always ready to help you stay productive and expressive. 7. Dual cameras for clear captures. The tablet features an 8MP rear camera for high-quality photos and a 5MP front camera for clear video calls and selfies. Capture memorable moments or connect with colleagues effortlessly. 8. Dual speakers with Dolby Atmos. Immerse yourself in superior sound with dual AKG-tuned speakers. The addition of Dolby Atmos ensures a cinematic audio experience, perfect for binge watching or gaming. 9. Long-lasting battery life. Equipped with a 7,000 mAh battery, this tablet provides hours of uninterrupted use. Whether you're working or playing, fast charging support ensures you're always powered up. 10. Advanced connectivity. Enjoy lightning-fast Wi-Fi for seamless internet browsing and video streaming. Stay connected to peripherals with Bluetooth 5.0 and simplify device syncing with Samsung's Quick Share feature. Why choose the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, 2024. Versatile use cases, whether for work, study, or entertainment, this tablet adapts to your needs effortlessly. Premium design at an affordable price, a high-end feel without breaking the bank. Eco-friendly packaging. Samsung's commitment to sustainability shines through minimal and recyclable packaging. Parental controls, perfect for families with tools to monitor and manage kids' usage. Samsung DeX support. Boost productivity by transforming your tablet into a desktop-like experience. Perfect companion for your day-to-day life. Whether you're a student looking for a study companion, a professional managing projects, or a creator unleashing your ideas, the Galaxy Tab S6 Lite delivers unmatched versatility. Pair it with a keyboard cover to create the ultimate portable workstation, or use the S Pen to bring your visions to life. Technical specifications at a glance. Display, 10.4-inch Wuxka plus TFT. Processor, Exynos octa-core. RAM, 4 GB. Storage, 128 GB. Expandable to 1 TB. OS, Android 13 with One UI. Battery, 7,000 mAh with fast charging. Cameras, 8 MP rear plus 5 MP front. Audio, dual AKG speakers with Dolby Atmos. Color, gray. Weight, 465 g. Included accessories, S Pen. Unleash limitless possibilities. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite 2024 combines style, performance, and functionality into one powerful device. Experience the perfect balance between productivity and entertainment. Whether you're doodling with the S Pen, watching your favorite shows, or collaborating on a team project, this tablet is ready to exceed your expectations. Don't just buy a tablet, elevate your everyday life. Order the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite today and transform the way you work and play.